There's no denying we're product junkies, but when it comes to acne, we'd rather take more of a holistic approach than hoard spot treatments and cleansers, especially for those of us who fall victim to the drying and burning side effects of pimple potions. Addressing the situation internally makes for less stress on the skin. Today's video will discuss 5 drinks that will clear your acne according to science. So when we recently learned that spearmint tea is acne's foe, we decided to research some other ways to sip our way to a clearer complexion, sans skincare products. Truth be told, there are lots of teas ahead, but we've included a few other tasty libations to quench your thirst for a smoother complexion. That is, take a look at the best anti-blemish beverages here. 1. Matcha tea. Along with a bevy of other incredible health benefits, this trendy drink is chock full of antioxidants, including epigallocatechin gallate, to help counteract the sebum oxidation that occurs before acne forms. Ingesting antioxidants also helps to reduce signs of inflammation from the inside out. And given that matcha has 137 times more antioxidants than plain old green tea, you can rest assured you're getting a hefty dose with each drink. 2. Turmeric tea. Curcumin, a component of the spice turmeric, is widely known for its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antioxidant, and antifungal properties. In Ayurveda, it's used for medicinal purposes to heal a wide range of internal and external maladies and conditions. While today, turmeric is a popular DIY mask ingredient, you can also add 1 teaspoon to hot water to drink as tea for similar acne healing benefits. 3. Kefir. The gut is greatly connected to your skin health, which is why ingesting probiotics from sources like kefir is good for counteracting bad bacteria and reducing inflammation. The protein lactoferrin gives kefir extra blemish-fighting power. In one study, participants who drank fermented milk with 200 milligrams of lactoferrin daily saw an almost 39% decrease in inflammatory acne lesions over 12 weeks. 4. Spearmint tea. After meeting with Dr. Carl Thornfelt, founder of Epionce Skincare, we learned that drinking 2 cups of organic spearmint tea daily reduces inflammatory acne lesions by 25% after 1 month and by 51% after 3 months, which is even more effective than prescription remedies. Amazing, right? I tried it myself and was met with impressive results. 5. Warm water. While it's embedded in our brains that drinking plenty of water every day is important for our overall health and well-being, its temperature is the key here. Warm water is beneficial for blemish-prone skin since it helps detoxify your body and regulate digestion, whereas cold water can actually harden the oil in consumed foods and create fat deposits in the intestines. Have you had acne healing success with any of these drinks? Let me know in our comment section below.